Hey everybody, it's Eric with Eric's Garage AZ coming at you today, and I'm standing here in the Martin Auto Museum in Phoenix, Arizona. Actually, it's technically Glendale, Arizona, 43rd Avenue and Thunderbird. And I'm bringing you a St. Patrick's Day special, so top of the morning to you, and hope you all have a great whiskey drinking, beer toting kind of a day today. But right now, I'm standing in front of a beautiful green 1970 Camaro Z28. And I want to bring this to your attention because it is St. Patrick's Day. So hopefully you enjoy it. You're going to love this car. Stay tuned for more. Remember, Eric's Garage AZ brings you the absolute best muscle car videos on the planet, period. And what do they say in Eric's Garage AZ land? Drive it like you stole it, bitches. Till next time.
Saw your smile from far away. I came right up to you and said, how about we sit instead? I told you my life was beginning. The moment I saw you, I was with.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please be sure to hit that subscribe button.
You came in, washed away the tears from yesterday.
We here at Eric's Garage AZ are burning the midnight oil to bring you the best quality videos we can find. If you like the content and you want to support our channel, please buy me a coffee, hit the link below, and if you drop your email, you will get a shout out on one of our next videos.
We're meant to be, there ain't no choice. I told you my life was beginning. The moment I saw you, I was winning. Already in love before you came in, washed away the tears from yesterday.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the last video. I hand selected a couple videos for you to watch right now. Click here.